So now here, now we have number. We divide number in two parts. One is real number, another are imaginary number. Imaginary number are iota, under root -1, under root of negative integer, under root -3 also you can say. ठीक है? So here imaginary number. Even cat also, we are not bothered about this. C set not at all. So we have to study only this real number. Imaginary number हवा में. Now this real number we divide in two parts. We have rational number, we have irrational number. Some student they say I have phobia with mathematics. ठीक है जी, कुछ होंगे. I don't know what is the meaning of phobia. And I charge 10,000, उसमें 5,000 वो phobia निकालने के हैं उन लोगों के लिए. ठीक है? Anyone who got that chart? अरे just concentrate here. इतना बढ़िया कैमरा लगाया, डिजिटल बोर्ड लगाया, just focus on this. You will get the handout. Don't worry, handout I will not use. बस वैसे ही गलती से मेरे मुंह से निकल गया था handout. भूल जाओ, उस कहानी को भूल जाओ. Focus on this. जो आपके पास, हाँ जी, इट इज अंडर रूट -1 आयटा. मैडम मैंने कहा इसको ध्यान ही नहीं देना, आयटा बायटा पायटा भूल जाओ इसको. नॉट एट ऑल रिक्वायर्ड. रेशनल नंबर, रेशनल नंबर वी कैन एक्सप्रेस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ, व्हाट आर रेशनल नंबर? हाँ जी, जिसको डेफिनेशन आती है बता दो. व्हाट आर रेशनल नंबर? We can express in the form of P by Q, where P and Q both integer. ना 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 ना, P Q, P तो 0 हो सकता है, 0/1. ठीक है? Q is not equal to 0. And what is the reason? क्योंकि अगर Q 0, if denominator is 0, it become infinity. So here rational number are those where we can express in the form of P by Q, where P and Q both integer, Q is not equal to 0. I give you example like 2/3, 4/7, 5/1, 7/4. All these are rational number. All these are rational number. 5/1 is also rational number. Because these are P by Q form, both are integer and Q is not equal to 0. Now irrational number, we cannot express this in the form of P by Q, where P and Q both integer and Q is not equal to 0. Here irrational number we cannot express in the form of P by Q. Can anyone give me the example? Under root 2, under root 3, pi. Pi is an irrational number. Then student they argue with me, school days we have taken value of pi is 22/7, where 22/7 is P by Q form and both are integer. But I tell you the fact, this pi value, it is not the exact value of pi is 22/7, it is the approximate value of pi is taken 22/7. Approximate value of pi is 22/7. Can anyone tell? Even the online student can also participate. Exact value of pi 3.14, that is also approximate value. Exact value of pi is 180 degree. Pi is actually angular representation, 180 degree actually. In statistics, in data interpretation, we have pie chart. Okay. Same pi. This is pie chart. So here this is 90 degree, 120 degree. 90 degree is half pi. So this is angular representation. So angular representation is pi representation. That's why this is called pie chart. Have you noticed one thing on t-shirt? काफी सारी इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें लिखी होती है टी शर्ट पे. क्यूटी पाई ऐसा कुछ बना होगा. So this is angular representation. 60 डिग्री का एंगल बन रहा है यहाँ. चेक करना, मेजर मत करना. So this is angular representation. So that is pi. Pi is angular representation. Value of pi is 180 degree. If examiner will give statement, because now they are asking a conceptual question, they can ask this thing in statement based. Pi is an irrational number. Yes. Why? Value of pi is 180 degree. 22/7 is not exact value. That is a approximate value of pi is taken during school days, or even we also take deliberately, because we have to solve question on circle, sphere, hemisphere, and most of the time you can notice radius of the sphere, hemisphere and circle is multiple of 7. So that 7 we cancel and we get our answer. So 22/7 is approximate value, not exact value. Exact value of pi is 180 degree. So pi is an irrational number. Irrational number कौन से होंगे? Where we cannot express in the form of p by q, where p and q both integer, q is not equal to 0. Now we come to the rational number in detail. Now rational number we divide in two parts, integer and fractions. I ask you one question. Fractions are also p by q, numerator by denominator. Rational number are also p by q. Tell me what is the conceptual difference here in rational number and fraction. Online student, offline student. हाँ जी. तो वो तो इंटीजर में, नेगेटिव तो फ्रैक्शन भी हो सकता है, -2/3. This is fraction.
Denominator will not be 0 in fraction. Denominator can be 0, sir, but
हाँ जी, denominator can be 0 here.
in a rational number there is denominator is not.
Q cannot be. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा करेक्ट है, आप मतलब करेक्ट जा रहे हो.
Sir, numerator is divided by denominator.
हाँ जी, आपके चांसेस खत्म. नहीं समझ में आ रहा. लास्ट रो, सेकंड लास्ट रो, थर्ड लास्ट रो, लास्ट सेक्शन ऑफ दिस क्लास. P should be. नहीं, वी हैव टू टाइप ऑफ फ्रैक्शन, वन आर प्रॉपर, अनदर आर इम्प्रॉपर. तो उसको मैं कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट करूंगा आपके पॉइंट को. नाउ हियर देयर इज ओनली वन डिफरेंस, आई टेल यू. सी बोथ आर p by fraction come in ratio, always as remainder. चलो, p by q form, where p and q both integer, q is not equal to 0 here also. But here we have one more condition, that p cannot be multiple of q. P should not multiple of q. Although we write 4/2 as a fraction, but as a mathematics student, if you tell me 4/2, I simplify it is 2/1 as he suggested. It is actually integer. When p is a multiple of q, we cancel it out. जब cancel करेंगे, it is integer. 2/1 is actually integer. So here I repeat, rational number is we can express in the form of p by q, where p and q both integer, q is not equal to 0. Here all these conditions has to be there, that fractions we can express in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. But here we have one extra condition, that p cannot be multiple of q. Here p can be multiple of q. In rational number, p can be a multiple of q because that become integer. When p numerator is exact multiple of denominator, it come under integer. 10/2, so it is actually 5, so it is integer actually. So in case of fraction, numerator cannot be multiple of denominator actually, if you go with the definition of fraction. So p cannot be multiple of q. numerator cannot be multiple of denominator. The rest are integer, you know very well, 1 2 3 4 5, 0 -1 -2 -3 and so on.
Integer, the p should be the like multiple of q. Should be.
See, integer is 3, so denominator is 1, so all these number are multiple of 1 for sure, except 0. Or 0 is also a multiple of 1 if you do 1 into 0, that gives 0, but उसमें जाना ही नहीं हमने. So here for fraction you just write p cannot be, numerator cannot be a multiple of denominator if you go with the definition of fraction, because if p is the multiple of q and when we cancel it out it actually become integer. वो integer की definition है, वो integer actually. Is this point clear? बस एक ही तो कंडीशन है that numerator cannot be multiple of denominator. Now here this is our chart. I think all of you are comfortable. और for category 1 student I just tell you we will go bottom up approach, उल्टा चलेंगे. All of you know natural number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. In this natural number we add 0, what it become? Whole number. And in this whole number when we add negative integer -1 -2 -3 it become integer. And when in integer we add 1/2 fractions, in integer when we add fraction it become rational number. And when in rational number when we add this type of number √2 √3 pi √5 which are irrational number, then it become real number. Okay, now here next is I give you one more definition of irrational number.
Fraction in example.
I give you example of fraction. We have two type of fraction. उससे भी बढ़िया चीज बताता हूं आपको. I don't mean proper improper here. I have one better concept here. We have two type of fraction. With example we understand, and you have to tell me what is the difference. You can see here. One is like 1/2, one is like 1/3. What difference you can see in 1/2 and 1/3? ठीक है जी, आपको पता है. हाँ जी, हाँ देखो 1/2 when we convert in decimal it is 0.5. आप जो कह रहे थे ना डिफरेंस वाली बात, आई कैन टेक 1/4 ऑल्सो, बट दैट कम अंडर दैट कैटेगरी. 1/4 is 0.25. These are called terminating decimal. TD is terminating decimal. So when we convert this fraction in decimal, they terminate maybe after 1 digit, 2 digit, 6 digit, 10 digit, 15 digit, 100 digit, but रुक जाएंगे वो जाके. Terminating decimal. 1/5 is 0.2. But whereas 1/3, when I convert this in decimal, it is 0.33333333. ये रुकने का नाम नहीं लेगा. बोर्ड खत्म हो जाएगा, क्लास राजेंद्र नगर, दिल्ली, इंडिया चलता जाएगा ये. So what is this called? Non-terminating but repeating. Non-terminating but repeating. So we have two type of fractions. When we convert in decimal, either they terminate. If they don't terminate, for sure they will repeat. इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं होगा. Fractions we have only two type of fractions. When we convert in decimal, either one type of fraction they terminate. Second type of fraction, if they don't they are not terminating, there for sure will be a sequence. वहाँ पे कुछ sequence तो मिलेगा. There can be a repetition of like 333. Like if we see 1/6, 0.166666, there is a repetition of 6. Like 1/7, 0.142857, 142857. You can check. There is a repetition after 6 digit. At your home, no need to check, but वैसे ही बता देता हूँ. 1/13. In this case, there will be a repetition after 12 digit. 1/13, there will be a repetition after 12 digit. 1/19, repetition after 18 digit, but there will be a repetition for sure. So here we have two type of fraction. When we convert in decimal, one type of decimal they terminate, second time is non-terminating but repeating. As far as decimal concerned, we have three type of decimal. One type of decimal are called terminating decimal. Second type of decimal, non-terminating but repeating. But there is third type of decimal also, neither they terminate nor they repeat. There is no sequence. And what are these? These are irrational number. So here we have third type of decimal, neither they terminate nor they repeat. You write neither they terminate nor they repeat. These are irrational number. Under root 2. If we convert under root 2 in decimal, neither it terminate nor it repeat. Pi, some of you have given value 3.1 something. Then I told it is also approximate value because ये रुकेगी नहीं, चलती जाएगी, and there is no sequence also. So here irrational number, when we convert in decimal, neither they terminate nor they repeat. So we have two definition of irrational number. We cannot express this in p by q form where p and q integer and q is not equal to 0. And second is when we convert irrational number in decimal, neither they terminate nor they repeat. So we have two type of fractions. 1 by 2, 1 by 3 is the example. So whatever example I will take in class, you write the same, because after 3 months when you will revise with the example, you can recall the concept. Deliberately I have taken 1 by 2, 1 by 3. हमें समझ में आ जाएगा 1 by 2 is 0.5, 1 by 3 0.3333, under root 2 1.41 चलता जाएगा. Neither they terminate nor they repeat. Now my next topic where I give you a shortcut on this topic. These are called recurring decimal. इनको हम recurring decimal भी बोलते हैं. Three reoccur again and again. 6 reoccur again and again. 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7 reoccur again and again. These are called recurring decimal. Now you put heading. Acha, before I take this, since he raised one point, we have two type of fraction. Already asked that concept. Terminate मतलब वो रुक जाता है, तो इसलिए that word is used, terminating. Terminating decimal.
नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग हो और नॉन रिपीटिंग हो, मतलब जैसे कि मान लीजिए
हाँ, नहीं होगा.
1/357 लिख देंगे तो कहीं ना कहीं टर्मिनेट होगा.
बिल्कुल टर्मिनेट होगा, नहीं तो रिपीट होगा. His point is, if we write any question in p by q form, so for sure either it terminate. If it will not terminate, it will repeat. If it is in the form of p by q where p and q integer, p and q has to be integer, means rational number. अगर वो rational number है तो वो या तो terminate होगा या वो terminate नहीं हो रहा तो वो repeat होगा for sure. Either terminate, otherwise repeat. There will not be any p by q form where p and q integer neither terminate nor repeat. फिर तो कंसेप्ट ही गलत हो जाएगा. मतलब रैशनल इरेशनल आपस में गिल्ली डंडा खेल रहे हैं, इरेशनल रैशनल के बीच में आ गया है, तो देन कंसेप्ट इज रॉन्ग एक्चुअली, वो होगा ही नहीं. नाउ हियर वी हैव टू टाइप ऑफ फ्रैक्शंस. वन इज कॉल्ड प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन, सेकंड इज कॉल्ड इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. Proper fraction like numerator by denominator, where numerator is lesser than denominator. 1 by 2, 4 by 7, where numerator is lesser than denominator. They terminate, that's why FISA, that's why we call terminating decimal. Terminating क्यों बोलते हैं? I don't know, जिसने नाम दिया उसको terminating बोल दिया क्योंकि decimal रुक रहा है वहां. Whereas improper fraction here is where numerator is greater than denominator. 3 by 2, 5 by 3, 7 by 4. So these are called improper fraction. हाँ जी, नहीं उसमें नहीं है. डोंट मिक्स टर्मिनेटिंग एंड दिस विद दिस, बोथ आर डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज. दोनों का कैटेगराइजेशन अलग अलग है. ठीक है. वन कैटेगराइजेशन आई विल से मेल फीमेल, वन कैटेगराइजेशन आई विल से समवन फ्रॉम हरियाणा एंड पंजाब, तो दोनों अलग चीज है, ठीक है। नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग में वो डेसिमल के बाद चलता जाएगा, हम उसको पकड़ नहीं पाएंगे। आइदर देयर इज ए सीक्वेंस 0.3333, if it is non-terminating we write like this, क्योंकि मेरे वर्ड खत्म, मेरे नंबर खत्म हो चुके हैं, मैं इसके आगे लिख नहीं सकता, मेरी हिम्मत नहीं है ये 3 लास्ट तक ले जाने की, तो इसलिए हम क्या कर देते हैं ये। एंड समटाइम्स सम पीपल दे राइट मैसेज इन लास्ट दे पुट 3 डॉट, तो हम वी पुट दिस, चलता जा रहा है, ठीक है। वो मैसेज कंटिन्यू है, वो प्यार कंटिन्यू है। सेकेंड थिंग इज सीक्वेंस इज देयर, सेकेंड में सीक्वेंस नहीं होगा बट वो कंटिन्यू होगा, 1 4 1 2 आ जाएगा, कभी 5 आ जाएगा, कभी 8 आ जाएगा, सीक्वेंस इज नॉट देयर बट स्टिल इट इज लाइक हियर कंटिन्यू। सो बोथ आर लाइक नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग, इनमें से टर्मिनेट कोई भी नहीं हो रहा है, but what is the difference? Here we have repetition, here even we don't have repetition also. Now we are coming to this point, these are called recurring decimal. Now you put heading एक डाउट आया है, पाई इज अंडर बोथ इमेजिनरी एज वेल एज इरेशनल। भैया इमेजिनरी जो है वो राक्षस प्रवृत्ति के है, फिर आते हैं रियल नंबर जो ह्यूमन बीइंग है, उसमें एक मेल एक फीमेल, फिर आगे हमने कैटेगरी बताई है। तो पाई जो है वो ह्यूमन बीइंग की कैटेगरी में आ रहा है, दैट कम अंडर रियल नंबर। राक्षस और ह्यूमन बीइंग कोई लेना देना नहीं है, कोई भीम नहीं है हमारे बीच में, ठीक है। तो बोथ आर डिफरेंट थिंग। इमेजिनरी नंबर को भूल जाओ यार, गलती करती मैंने बता के। इमेजिनरी नंबर इज अंडर रूट ऑफ नेगेटिव नंबर, अंडर रूट -1। इट इज नॉट इरेशनल, इट इज नॉट एट ऑल इरेशनल। इरेशनल is different thing, imaginary are different thing.